How to enable iMessage on iPhone? To enable iMessage on your iPhone, open the Setting app. Scroll down. And tap on the Messages option. After you have tapped on the Message option, toggle on the switch next to iMessage. This will enable iMessage on your iPhone. Your network provider may charge for SMS to activate iMessage. Tap OK to confirm. Once you have enabled iMessage, you will be prompted to verify your phone number and email address. This is important because iMessage uses these details to identify your other Apple users. Simply follow the prompts and enter and verify your phone number and email address. Done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.